So what you can also do inside of GIMP is generate some kind of graphics from scratch. So to do that, you need to go around onto filter, and over here in render, you can see that you got different options right here. So let's explore fractals right here. So you can see that there's different sort of fractals right here, like this IFS fractals, as you can see right here. And you can change around the, let's say for example, the details right here according to how you want, and you can see the details around over here. There's also different colors that you can choose from right here, change around the hue as you can see right here, and this is what you have. Once you're happy with what you get right here, so you can simply go around and press OK right here, and what happens is that it simply goes around and generates it out right here. Generates out the graphics as you can see right here. Similarly, you can go around over here onto render, onto fractals, and there's fractals explorer as you can see right here. So you can go around, change around the left fractal, you can change around the right, the top, and then change around the iterations as you can see right here, and even go around, change around the color as you can see right here, change around the red, the green, and so forth, and work around with different options right here, like work around with the cosine right here, just like this, and so forth according to how you want, and even change around the type of fractal that you want right here. So once you select out the fractal that you want to actually generate, you can go around and then simply press OK right here, and that will be generated as well. Similarly, there's another fractal right here, and that is the flame fractal right here, just like this. So that's the flame as you can see right here, and similarly you can go around and then generate it out around over here as well. So that is what you have as you can see. So that is how you can go ahead and render out fractals as you like inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.